Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker garlic Parmesan mashed potatoes. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my 3-quart pressure cooker, and if you're interested in one of these, right now at QVC they have them on clearance for just under $25, and they also have 6 easy pays on them. That's a really good deal for this. Like I said, that's a 3-quart. Now I'm starting out, I have roughly about 2 pounds of potatoes that I cut into decent sized pieces since we're pressure cooking them. I'm going to go ahead and put some salt in here. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of salt, and that's optional guys, depending on what you're allowed to have, not allowed to have, what you like, and so on. Now I'm going to add in a cup of water, and I'm rinsing that salt down through the potatoes. I'm going to close my lid down guys. Make sure we're set to seal. Make sure we're sealed there. Now I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. So give me a second here guys. We're going to high pressure. And I'm going to set it for 8 minutes. We'll let that come up to pressure. The pressure cook for 8 minutes, and then we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my time's up. I did that quick release of the pressure. I'm going to add in a stick of butter. And I'm going to close down the lid on my pressure cooker just for a minute so that butter melts. Okay guys, I know my butter's starting to melt. I'm going to go in here with a potato masher. Now make sure you use a plastic one, or you transfer these over into a bowl if you're going to use your electric mixer or a metal masher, because you don't want to scratch your pot up. And I'm just going to get in here and smash my potatoes up a little bit. Alright, now that my potatoes mashed part of the way, I'm going to add in some garlic powder. Make sure you use powder, not salt. I'm going to go for probably about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add in some shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're going to go for about a half a cup of cheese. Maybe a hair over. I'm going to go ahead and mash that. Let me grab my hand towel because the pot here is hot. I'm just going to mash just to get stuff mixed together. Just a rough mash. And Dexter smells these potatoes, guys, and he wants some. Okay, guys, now I'm going to add in my milk. I'm going to add in about a half a cup of milk. And you can judge this as you go. You can add a little more, but go slow, don't add too much at first. And I'm going to add in some diced up green onion I diced up. I'm going to add in probably about 1/4 cup of green onion. Knock it off my hands. We're going to go in there and mash this up. Now the mashing will get easier now that we added that milk in there. And as I'm mashing, I'm scraping down the sides of the pot to get the potatoes out from in there. The nice thing about these guys, you can make them ahead of time and just leave your pressure cooker on the warm setting to keep them warm. Just give them a stir here guys to get potatoes worked up from around the edges of the pot. I'm going to go in there and add just a little bit more milk, because this is a thick mashed potato like you would use in a pierogi, and I want a little creamier. And that's my meatloaf in the oven. That's done. I'll just turn off the timer for now. We're having meatloaf with this, guys. Okay, guys, my mashed potatoes are looking good. They're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I plated up that meatloaf I was talking about, and our potatoes. And get in here and try these guys. You can see they're nice and creamy. They're really good. You taste the garlic, the creaminess of the Parmesan cheese. You get the green onion. They're really good, guys. Well seasoned, delicious. Try a piece of meatloaf for you. Meatloaf's really good. And I put some red chili sauce on top. That really wakes up the meatloaf, the flavors. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker garlic Parmesan mashed potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.